All right, folks, we're back live with a couple of personal box breaks. These two are for Jason. If anybody else wants one tonight, just let me know. In the next hour, we can do a few more. If anybody just wants a few packs open, we can do that. So, for Jason, we are opening a box of Trilogy and a box of SPX. See if we can get him something big tonight. Gotta get in it. Maybe it's a good one in the first pack here. We can't even get in the pack. We have a rookie renditions of Taro Hirose. And a Trilogy Rookie Premieres Level 1 of Nico Sturm. Pack number 2, we have a Renditions Rem Pitlick. A Renditions Blue Alexi Sorella out of $3.99, I think they are. Renditions Lieber Hayjack rookie. Rasmus Sandin blue out of $3.99. I think that red one was out of $6.99 or $7.99 now that I think about it. Alright, come on, we need something different here. A Renditions Carlos and Kuhlman. Dante Fabio Renditions jersey card. Mackenzie McEachern renditions. There we go. Rasmus Sandin. Autograph level 2 rookie. Numbered out of 199. There's a nice one for you, Jason. Although I know you're not a Leafs fans, you're a Canadiens fan, but you can trade that for a good Canadiens card. And a Renditions Teddy Bluger. And another Trilogy Rookie Premieres out of $2.99. Level 3. Jimmy Schlutt on the Vegas. Alright, that Sandin auto was a nice one. Let's see if we can beat that in the SPX. Four packs, 4 cards. Let's see what we can get. Pack 1, we have a Jamie Benn Extravagant Materials. Pack 2, we have a Dylan Larkin jersey card numbered out of 199. Alright, we got to get at least one auto, so it's coming. This one seems like a big thick pack. Could be a shadow box. Now, you wanted a big card? There's a big card. Cal McCarr, Black Lustrous Rookies. 4-color patch. Signed, numbered out of 15. Number 12 of 15. That is a huge card. Very, very nice. Hard signed. Number 12 of 15. Black Lustrous Rookies. Something tells me we're not going to beat that in the last pack. A Nicholas Hague rookie out of 199, but that's all right. When you got this out of a pack,
25.
That is awesome.
25.
What was it? Sorry, 12 out of 25, not 15, but still, just as good. That's a lovely looking autograph too. Congratulations, Jason. That is a nice card. And we have a couple of overtime packs. See if we can get them a little bonus here, an autograph or anything. Tyler Johnson, Luke Kunin, Kasperi Kapanen blue, and a Jack Hughes next in line. Max Jones rookie, Andrew Shaw blue, and a overtime winners Alex DeBrincat. All right, that's Jason's 2 boxes. Again, one big card. If anybody else wants any boxes, packs, or anything else broke in the next hour, just send us a message and we'll do that live for you as well. Thanks for watching. Good night.